Hey, what's up everybody? It's Project Onyx, and today we're gonna do another mod, and that is a relocation bracket cab mount by Lil B's Customs. This is the same company that made my hybrid front bumper that I did install video for. Both were purchased at Running for Tacos, so big shout out to Taco Twans for shipping these out to me very quickly before I went to Atlanta, because that's where I'm gonna get my cab mount chopped once again and welded by Tim's Customs. Alright, so I'm getting ready to check out. I'm going over to Tim Customs right now. I have my friend Mike start on his first. So today you're going to see not one but two Tacomas with the same brackets from Lil B's Customs on our cars. Alright, so here's the beast. Heading over there right now. And I could show you where I'm rubbing. I'm rubbing right here, see? I have to touch this up all the time. And I need to paint it all the time. Alright, so we are here and we're gonna check to see what's going on. So this is Mike's truck. This is Tim doing work. Tim Customs. Alright, let's see. Nice and shiny, getting prepped for the bracket. Milwaukee's Tacoma's looking real good. Look at that spare tire setup. Man. Got the Pro Ego. Got the mountain hatch. We were eating our McDonald's earlier. He's rocking Geolanders with some Rays. Really great wheel company. Definitely recommend it. Alright, we are almost done with Abla's car. We got one side ready. Now we're just doing on the passenger side. Tim doing work. Alright, here's the passenger side. It's kind of like the prep work to get started. So basically cutting out the whole cab mount, right, and exposing this hole to mount the new relocation brake mount. If you look at my Tacoma, you'll see a big difference. And you'll see right here the big difference, see? And that's gonna go away. Alright, here's the passenger side. And look at the attention to detail that he does. It's insane. Man, that's a beauty. Alright, he's almost done, so that's pretty much it. All he has to do is bolt that in and paint it up. All painted. Alright, we are all done. This is the ending result for Abla's truck. Very good work from Tim Customs. Here is the passenger side. No more cab. Alright, here's the spacing, a different view on it. Voila! Alright, that wraps it up. Unfortunately, we ran out of time due to the Florida heat. He could only do one, and I'm gonna come back next week to do mine for Project Onyx. Alright, so I'm back. Now is my turn to do my relocation cab mount. Let's go. Alright, this is the finishing product, just like the first Tacoma. This is the finishing project for my car, just like the first Taco. Here's a better angle at it. There we go. It's the passenger side, and look, no more cab mount. Alright, so we have knocked out 2 tacos. Give Tim big credit because it's really hot out here in Florida. As you can see, I'm sweating right now. But that is the relocation bracket from Lil B's Custom. So you could buy your bracket at Running for Tacos at the link below. And then that's it. No more rub. Peace out. Let's go.